Okay, let us start. See, yesterday, Java 10:30 a.m. Feb. So this is our batch. So yesterday recording, this is day nothing discussed. Day one, nothing discussed. See, yesterday, today first day, today session day. Yesterday just about me. Next about course. Next prerequisite to learn Java course contents. For whom this course recommended? After this course, what next after this course? Only that's it we discussed. That's all. Okay. See, still, if anyone unable to hear me, rejoin the session. Let me check it. Yeah, almost in online. Fine. Fine. Well and good. Yes. No. See, yesterday's just about me. Yes, I think about me introduction. Yes, let me review yesterday topic. Yesterday some review. I think some new students are there today. There are some new students. For them, just I'm giving review for 5 minutes. Yesterday's class review for 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, about me. This is Nageswar Rao. See, yesterday all this thing typed and explained. Yes, all this whole thing I have typed and explained. So that's the reason in whole day class. But now today just I'm showing that yesterday's what I typed yesterday. Same thing just I'm showing here. About me. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, having 23 years of experience. My most of the Java Big Data Hadoop. Here, this is current working company. Yes, my ID, my badge, ITAC 142. So my role solution architect. Yes, Silutech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Okay. Yes, this Silutech know about it. Yes, I'm taking classes and all this. They are encouraging me in taking classes. They are encouraging me. Okay. I wanted to share my knowledge. That's the reason, knowledge and experience. That's the reason they are encouraging me in taking classes. Okay. Yes, role solution architect. Totally 19 projects completed. First, initially 2 projects on embedded C. Embedded C, 2 projects. Okay. 1970, 2000. Okay. 12 projects on Java. 2002 till date. Yes, 4 projects on Hadoop. 2013 to till date. Hadoop client is Diebold company. It's very big company, big data purpose. 19th project, current projects, client is Volkswagen, ERP solutions. Currently working, this is my payroll company. Silutech, it's my payroll company. Okay. So this is about me. Yes, next about course. Yes, your course is course Java. Duration 3 months. Number of sessions 75 to 78 sessions, no doubts. Okay, 75 to 78. No holidays. Only Monday to Saturday classes, only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday giving holiday. Only no holidays. Even I'm not feeling well, I'll take the class. Even not feeling well, I will take the class. Okay. See, recently I suffered with COVID. Even suffered with COVID, taking class, daily class taken. Yes, daily class taken, daily worked for office. No leave. I have not taken single leave also. I worked every day. I have taken classes. That is my seriously working here. Serious, that is my dedication. 3 to 4 classes at free of cost without paying fees. You can attend. Tomorrow starting actual class. Tomorrow means today. Today actual classes. Today starting actual classes. These actual class also 3 days free of cost. 3 free classes. Certificate also provided. Certificates. After finishing course, yes, we'll be providing certificate also. See, daily recording share to our Gmail ID. just within 1 hour of finishing class. By 2 p.m. you can watch it. Validity for 1 year. Okay. Next, one more thing. If anyone unable to continue classes with some reasons, that case you can attend next batch, next batch, next batch. No limit. That's your wish. That's your patience. Okay. I'm not a commercial. I have very good job. Teaching is not my profession. Teaching is my passion. It's not my profession. Profession is different. Passion is different. Okay. Teaching just my passion means interest. That's it here. Okay. See daily recordings, class documents, and software. These things will be provided. Recordings daily. See recently completed batch 8:30 AM batch. Recently completed 8:30 AM batch. See 78 recordings. Exactly 3 months taken this batch. 3 months, 78 recordings. Next morning, 8:30 AM batch. Recordings. Okay. 44 and today 45. Today also taken. History. Today morning. Yes, 8 AM batch. Taken that 8 AM batch. Yes, I have to download. I have to share to that download option. Download. Yes, already saved. That should be downloaded and uploading to that batch. Okay. Yes, for your batch are same. Downloading, uploading to your drive. Okay. So that is daily recordings. Every after finishing class, I'll share recording. Okay. Next class document. This is our class document. Here this class document. Yes, morning batch explanation purpose usually here. Open this document and explain. This is our daily class document. Running notes is not necessary. Okay, you guys don't write any running notes, not at all required. You guys don't write running notes. Running notes is not necessary. Okay, running notes is not necessary. Yes, running notes is not necessary. Okay. Yes, running notes is not necessary. Just you can follow the document here. Just you can follow document. Okay, every point is a very clearly. Yes, next softwares. They are the facilities. So about course details. 3 months, 75 to 78 sessions. Time 1.5 hour class. Strictly 1.5 hour, no doubt. Monday to Saturday. Totally 115 hours you'll get the job. 115 hours. See, most of the institutions they are taking only 1 hour class Monday to Friday. Yes, other institutions, even in our institution also, Durgasoft also other trainers, other institutions, they are taking 1 hour class. So only 1 hour class, 1 hour class, and 2 months, 2 months. Next Monday to Friday, 8 class are Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday, 2 months, 1 hour class. Yes, even 1 hour class of they will not take. Hardly they will take 45 minutes only. They will join lately. Generally, I'll join sharp. Today, some little bit late, some 5 minutes late today, but actually sharply I'll start your class, no doubt. Okay, my classes 1.5 hour means minimum 1.5 hour. Okay, see other classes only 2 months they core Java batch, Monday to Friday only. Next one, yes, hardly they will take 40 hours. Total course only 40 hours. In same Durgasoft, other trainers are there. Other trainers they will take only 40 hours. Yes, other institutions also they will take only 40 hours. My batch is 115 hours because that much of syllabus I'm covering. Okay, including real-time concepts, projects concepts, including real-time project I'm covering. That's the reason taking this much of time. Okay, yes. So that's all about our course details. Yes, fees 5,000 only. So Monday to Saturday classes, 10:30 to 12 o'clock. Fine. Yes. What is prerequisites? Nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you guys. No expectations. Non-IT background guys also can understand here. Starting with basics, finally taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing course, you will be in a position to put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. Minimum 3 to 4 years. That level I can train you. I will train you. Definitely. That is guarantee from my side. That is guarantee from my side here. Okay, next one more thing. You have to practice. That's it. You have to practice. Okay. Yes. What is the course contents? See, course contents today we'll discuss. Today that will be repeating once again. Okay. So that's all about course details. Course details about course and about me. Yes. What are the course contents now? Yes, it will be covering. Course content will be covering today. In today's session, I'll cover this also. Yes. Yes, let us start today's session. Day 2. Yes, day 2. Day 2. Just 10:30 am. Day 1. Day 2. I'm saving. Day 2. Day 2. Day 2 session. Yes. Today, actual classes. Actual classes starting. Yes. Let us start. Yes, I'm starting with question first. Actual classes. Just I'm starting some question. Yes, simple question. What is Java? Yes, what is Java? How to answer this? Yes, anyone? Can you guys? Can you answer this? Of course, I'll tell you. Just I'm asking, what is Java? Your idea I'm asking, what is Java? Anyone can you answer this? What is Java?
Java is object-oriented programming language.
Good. Yes, you
And
can
this
ping.
all.
Yeah. Chat box available.
Okay,
Guys,
fine.
unable to speak. If you are unable to speak, yes, you can ping in chat box. Yes, whatever you want, that you can share in chat box. So others you can see. I can also. Yes, I am observing chat box. Here chat box available. You can use chat box. Okay, some guys are unable to speak. Some guys are unable to speak. That case you can share in the chat box. 1 second. Here muted everyone. Yes, now I have muted everyone because some background noise getting. Some background noise getting. Just muted everyone. Now you can share in the chat box. You can share whatever question you want, whatever the answer. Yes, Pavan. Yes, it's a software language. Okay, good. Next, any others? Yes, you can share in chat box. Whatever you want, get that reply. In chat box available. Yes, you can share. Yeah, that girl is saying that oops language. Okay, fine. Next, any others? Okay, yeah, no worry. I'll explain. What is Java means? Simple answer. Java, yes, is an object-oriented programming language. Simple answer. What is Java means? Yes, it's an object-oriented programming language. Yes, OOP language. OOP language. OOP language. OOP stands for yes, object-oriented programming. Yes, objects oriented, object-oriented programming, object-oriented programming. Okay, Java is an OOP language. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. That's it. Simple answer. What is Java means? Very simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Fine. Yes. JDK software. Java software is a JDK. JDK is a Java software. JDK is a Java software. But JDK stands for yes, Java, yes, Java development kit. Okay. Yes, today Java introduction. I'm introducing Java today. the Java history. Next, what is present position of Java? What is future of Java? That we are discussing today. What is history, present position, and future? That is going to discuss today. Java, Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. One second. Let me have some water. Yes, JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of Java. 1.0, first version. First version of Java. First version of Java released in the year 1995. Okay, JDK 1.0 first version of Java. It's a first version of Java. First version of Java released in the year 1995. Yes, 1995. What was happening that time? 1995. What was happening in your life? I think before your birth, right? Yes, before your birth. 1995 means I think it's before your birth. Java released before your birth only here. 1995. Okay. Yes, before your birth. 1995. What I was doing? 1995. What I was doing here? 1995. Yes, I was in engineering second year. In engineering second year. Engineering second year. Just I was in engineering second year. Okay. See, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Yes. 1993 to 1997. Yes, completed engineering. Yes, 1997. Yes, joined with Motorola company. First job, Motorola company. Yes, Motorola company. First job. First job, Motorola company. Okay, embedded C initially. Later switched to Java in the same company, Motorola company only in 2000 year. Yes, switched to Java. Okay, switch it to Java. In same company, switch it to Java. Okay, so initially it's a embedded C. Yes, embedded C. Initially embedded C. In 2000 year, same company switched to Java. Yes, after 2000 switched to Java. 2003 another company, Visualsoft. Okay, 2003 Visualsoft. Next 2003 to 12 I worked with Visualsoft. Yes, after that 2012 yes started career. Yes, Diebold company. Diebold. Diebold. This company Diebold. Yes, 2003 and with Visualsoft company. Visualsoft. Yeah, this company. Yes, sir. I think Satyam Ramalingaraj, right? That time Satyam Ramalingaraj company is there. Satyam company. So one of the yes companies of Satyam, Visualsoft. I joined with that company 2003. 2012 Diebold. Yes, 2015. Yes, 2015 Silotech. Okay, in my whole career, how many companies? Motorola, Visualsoft, Diebold, Silotech. Only 4 companies. 23 years, only 4 companies worked. That is consistency. A company will see that profile also. If you changing company frequently, they will not give the priority for recruitment. They will not take you. Yes, frequently, every 1 year changing company, every 2 years changing some guys changing companies frequently. Okay. Yes, companies will not recruit that such kind of persons. If you working stable, yes, with company here, working for minimum 4 to 5 years, they will consider you. They will think that yeah, this guy is frequently changing. So after joining into our company, within 1 year, he will change from our company. They will think like this. So changing companies is not correct. minimum 5 to 6 years we should work with any company. Okay, so this is my career. This is my career. So 1995, yes, engineering second year, computer science engineering, JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, yes, yes. Year 1995 started learning C language. 1995, yes, I was learning C language. That time I was learning C language. We have the C language in our engineering. We have the C language. C language. Okay. So before releasing Java only, my software career started. My software career started. So I know the Java. Every version of Java I worked. Yes, 1995 don't have my software. 1995, yes, means 93. Engineering started 93. Before 93, don't have much software. After 93, software came to the market here. Just before 93, we have the C language, C++, next Windows OS. That's it. And Unix. Unix, C, C++, Windows OS is there. Okay, don't have much software. After 93 only started software. Okay, yeah. So that is 1.0, JDK 1.0. First version of Java released in year 1995. Okay, one sec, let me remove this. This is not necessary for us. Okay, next. See JDK 1.0. Yes, released the first version of Java released with released with features as below. That initial features. Okay, JDK 1.0 released with features as below. First one, independent of platform, initial features. Later I added many features. Independent of platform, independent of platform, independent of platform. Okay, these are initial features. These are initial features. In initial features, independent of platform, independent of platform. Next, portability, portability. Yes, portability, portability. Next, object-oriented programming language features. Object-oriented programming language. Okay. Yes. Next, scalability. Scalability. Yes. Next, security. Yes. With these features. First version of Java 1.0. See 1.0. 1.0 released with these features. Independent of platform, portability, group language, scalability, and security. See, initially released with all these features. Initially released with all these features. Okay. Next, after that, JDK 1.1. Yes, in the year 96. JDK 1.1 in the year 1996. JDK 1.1 in the year 1996. Okay. Yes. 1 second. Yes. Just I'm taking some water. 1 second. Yeah. Yesterday night I worked till 3 o'clock. Office work. Due to some important worked for 3 o'clock. That's the reason my voice getting differently, little bit differently. Yes. 1 second. Yeah. JDK 1.1, 1996. See, JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. Three editions. Initially, Java with only three editions. Later, fourth one added. Only three editions. Yes, Sunsoft. They have divided into three editions. 1 second. JDK Java Development Kit. Yes, JDK from the Sunsoft. Basically from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. That history also I'll tell you. Oracle Corporation. That history also I'll tell you. That JDK from Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. That history also will discuss. Okay. Yes. JDK 1.0 released with these features. 1.0 initial features. Initial features. Next JDK 1.1 1996. JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. Three editions. First one, yes, Java SE called as J2SE. J2SE. J2SE stands for Java Standard. Java Standard. Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Okay. JSE. J2SE. Yes. Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Okay, like this. Next, Enterprise Edition. Next, Mobile Edition. Second one, yes, Java Enterprise Edition. So calling it J2EE. So Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise. Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Next, JME. Calling it J2ME. J2ME Java Mobile Edition. Java Mobile Edition. Yes, why called as J2ME like J2SE? What is 2? 2 means second version of Java. Second version of Java. See, JDK 1.1 divided into three editions here. See, 1.0 is a first version. 1.0 is a first version. 1.0 first version. 1.1 second version. That's the reason J2. Y2 means second version. It's a second version. Okay, in second version, divided into three editions like this. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition. That's it here. Okay, so these are the three editions. Here, different editions. What is the purpose? We'll discuss today now. Today we'll discuss. Next, after that, next version JDK 1.2, next JDK 1.3, next JDK 1.4, next JDK 1.5, yes 1.6, next 1.7, yes 1.8, from 1.8 calling it Java 8, Java 8, Java 8, Java 8 released. After Java 8, Java 9, next Java 11 and Java 13 released. 13. Okay, now currently industry using 8 and 9. Maximum 80% of companies are using Java 8 only. 9 rare companies. Yes, in our company we are using Java 9. Yes, our company is a completely Java based company. Java based company. Yeah, 273 team members. 273 is very big team. It's a very big team Java. So we are using Java 9. Okay, since last two projects we are using Java 9. For support old projects Java 8 only. Old projects are Java 8. Now currently developments using Java 9. Okay, next 11 and 13 also updated. Our team already updated. Any client is asking for 11 and 13, we are ready to implement. We are ready to implement. Yes, out of all the versions here, JDK 1.5, yes, main important versions. Yes. Out of all this, JDK 1.5, 1.5, this is JDK 1.5 called as, this is called as Tiger version. It's a Tiger version. This is Tiger version. Tiger version. Tiger version released. Yes, in the year 2004. See, this is all my live experience. Okay. Yes, we'll discuss the differences, version-wise features. We'll discuss next. Mr. Hari Krishna. Version-wise features. At the end, I will explain. This is not right time. Java 8 is having some features and Java 9 is having some features. That features we'll discuss definitely. Version-wise features definitely I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, I think this is not right. Even explain, you can't understand it. You can't understand it. Okay, yes. So JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version. This is called as Tiger version, released in year 2004. Okay, yes. Many features. Yes, many features were added here. Many features were added in this version here. Were added in this version. In this version. In this version. Yes, even fourth edition, Java effects, Java effects, JFX also added in this version. Also, also added here. Also added. Yes, fourth edition. Yes, Java FX also added in this version. In this version. In this version. In this version. Okay, fine. In this version. Okay. Yes. JDK 1.5. Yes, called as Tiger version. Many features were added in this version here. Yes, even fourth edition Java effects also added in this version. Okay. Yes. See here with JDK 1.5. Yes, Java got the success in the market. Java got the success in the market. Java got the success in the market. Java got the success. It is JDK 1. With that features here, Java got the success. Yes, I'll explain. Don't worry. All the versions, all the editions we will discuss now. Today topic is same edition. What is enterprise? What is probably? What is effects? Same today topic, that is. Today topic we'll be discussing. We'll be discussing now. With JDK 1.5. With JDK 1.5, Java got the success in the market. So how many years to get the success? How many years it was taken? How many years? See, JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. Yes, first version of Java 1995. So 1995 to 2004 means 9 years, right? Almost it was taken for 10 years to become success. See, 10 years. 10 years is not a small period. Very lengthy, 10 years. Yes, over a period of 10 years, anyone will get the success. You guys also worked for 10 years, getting success automatically here. Yes, 10 years working, consistently working here. Consistency is very, very important. Stability, consistency, stability. Stability is important. If you're working for 10 years consistently here, automatically, yes, getting success. Consistency important. Consistently working for 10 years, just getting success. See, while choosing field only, you have to choose the correct field. Correct field means, yes, which field you have to choose generally here. Trending field, generally trending field. Trending field, you have to choose it. Trending fields as well. Yes, long lasting career. Yes, you have to choose. See, some fields are maybe trending. After 2 years, maybe out of, yes, after 2 years, maybe out of the fields. Yes, only 2 years. Training for only 2 years. After 2 years, maybe where. Yeah, don't choose that kind of fields here. Choose right technology. In software, choose right technology. So trending field and long lasting evergreen field for next 20 years. That field must be for, yes, next 20 years. Yes, 20 years working software field max, not more than that. Yes, in our life, maximum will work for only 20 years. After 20 years, maybe retirement getting automatically. Okay, software field, yes, maximum, yes. 21, 22 years job getting, 45 years maximum working, 25 years maximum. Not more, we can't work not more than that. Okay. Yes, of course, maybe going to management level, maybe highly high position. That case they can work after 45 years age also. Okay. Yes. So choose a trending field as well long lasting. You see, Java is the best. Java is a trending field in the market and evergreen field. Since 20 years, more than 20 years, I'm traveling Java. No up and downs in Java. Cool. My life is very cool. Happily working. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.5. So finally got the success. Okay. Right. Yes. See here. Finally JDK divided. JDK divided into 4 editions. Divided to 4 editions. 4 editions. These 3 plus FX. Finally, JDK divided to 4 editions here. So next FX, JFX. Yes, fourth one, JFX. Fourth one, yeah, JFX. JFX. Yeah, this is not called a JDFX because this is these three in the second version of Java are released here. These three in the second version of Java, but the 50th version of Java. If JFX in the 50th version, yeah, Java effects, Java effects, Java effects. So JDK, finally JDK divided into 4 editions. Let us see one by one. What is Java standardization? Java standardization. Yes. Yes, it's a Java technology. It's a Java technology. So this is our course. So you guys learning Java technology. Java standardization is Java technology. Okay. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. It's an application development part. Yes, application development. Application development. Application development comes from this one here. Okay. See, now current 90% of internet based 90% of internet based apps are developed in Java. Okay. Yes, with the enterprise edition, with this enterprise edition, 90% of internet based applications. Now currently many applications, lakhs of applications using, right? Almost all internet based applications were developed in Java using enterprise edition. Yes, here all the frameworks. Yes, all the frameworks. All the frameworks comes under this category here. What is framework? Today we'll discuss. What's a framework? Today we'll discuss. Okay. So first one, Java standard edition. It's a Java technology. Java enterprise edition. It's application development. See, 90% of applications were developed in Java only here. Using this enterprise edition means all the frameworks. Today we'll discuss what are the frameworks. Next, mobile edition. Let us come to mobile. See, mobile edition. Mobile edition. Yeah, this is for mobile apps. Yeah, this area Java is poor. Java poor in this area. This area not recommended. For mobile apps, Android is the best suitable. Android is a leader. This area, Android is a leader. Okay. So Java mobile edition. So for mobile applications, yes, mobile applications. In this area, Java is very poor. For that, Android is a best suitable. Yes, industry using Android. Okay. So next, yes, Java effects. Here, this edition is for visual effects. Visual effects like movies. Visual effects in movies and short films and videos. Yes, like videos, maybe your event videos, some events videos, all the visual effects in movies and short films, all that videos here. For visual effect, this also in this also Java is poor. Here also Java is very poor, not recommended. At this case, in this area, yes, using Premiere software. Industry using Premiere software. Yes, Premiere software from Adobe. Premiere software. Next, one more Maya software. Okay. So industry using these softwares in this area. In this area, Java is not fit. Next, mobile app also Java is not fit. Java is fit for this area. Yes, internet-based applications. Yes, Java. Let us see Java standardization. This is our syllabus. Java standardization is our syllabus. Yes. Let me show our syllabus. Yesterday, I typed and explained here. Day 1. Just one. Let me copy and paste. Yes. Why typing unnecessary wasting of time? Yes. Day 2. Yes. Java standardization. This is our syllabus. Yes. See. Here, this is our syllabus. our syllabus. See, first core part of Java. It's all Java fundamentals like data types, operators, control statements, and Java language. Yes, control statements like if, switch case, while, do while, and for loop. In this area, we'll be discussing about 100 programs. 100 programs I'll explain. 100 programs, 60 programs I'll explain. 40 assignments for you. Daily assignments will be there. You have to solve assignments. Everyday assignments will be there. Okay. Yes, logic based programming. Yes, 100 programs in that logic based. Yes, more focus on logic development, improving programming skills. Yes, 1 month I'll spend on this. 1 month this area. This is very, very important. If you good at programming, yes, particular non-IT guys, even IT guys also already who is having IT background, they may be poor in programming skills. Yes, in college, they will not explain much programming, only theory. They will focus on theory. Programming is very less. Logic building is very less. Yes, here, yes, now you are going to build your logic building and improving programming skills. Yes, 1 month I'll spend on this. So once you good at programming, once you good at this, moving to Java. Okay, see this area 100 programs, total complete Java 300 programs. See complete Java. Yes, complete. Your complete core Java, Yes, around 300 programs will be covering. Yes, all the programs explaining practically. It's not theory here. Practically line variant with the memory map and memory concepts are explained here. Memory map and concepts here. See today morning batch with memory map bits and bytes. How the data storing to memory. See 4 bytes memory. Yes, 2 bytes memory. 1 byte memory. Okay, so these explained today morning. Today morning topic there is. Okay. See, this is today morning batch, bits and bytes. Okay. Yes, very clearly I'll explain all of these things. Okay. Yes. Why I am taking 3 months? Reason in depth going and every topic. Even single topic is not missing. Every topic in lot of syllabus will be covering. Okay. Yes, after finishing this 1 month here, next groups. All the object-oriented program, Java starts. Encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading, constructors, this reference, static inheritance, method overloading, and all this. Oops. Garbage collection. Here, this area, this topic is for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. And rest of the time means around 40 days. Around 40 days, these are the topics here. 40 days, this topic discussing here. These are real-time related, project-related concepts here. Handling strings in different ways. Next, object wrapper classes. Next, exception handling, collections. Yes, main focus is in collections here. Very, very important topic. Next, IO streams. Collections and IO streams. Combination of these two will discuss one real-time project here. Yes, combination of these collections and IO streams. Here, we'll see one real-time project. Like for different files like text files, CSV files, Excel files, XML, different kind of files. Okay, networking, socket programming. This is okay. Next, multi-threading. Just with multi-threading, finishing your syllabus. After that, yes, starting from the beginning again. Yes, 1.0 features. What are the features were introduced? Okay, see by the time of finishing 9th topic here. Yes, including 9 Java 9 features will be finishing. Okay. Yes, that features a review. 1.0, what are the features were added here? 1.1 features added here. Version wise features. What are the features are added? I'll explain one by one. See, by the time of finishing your course, yes, including 9 also finishing. Okay. Now, after that, then so yes, 1 point in that, what are the features? 1.1, 1 point like this. After finishing all that review here, then going for 11 and 13 features. They are separately covering here. So I have to install 11 and 13 separately, then I have to expand here. Okay. Yes, our daily classes with 8 and 9. Our daily classes topic, yes, using 8 and 9. C drive, 8 and 9, Java 8 and 9. Daily classes with 8 and 9 features here. Okay. Yes, after finishing 8 and 9, finally, yes, 11 and 13 I will install separately. I'll explain it. Okay, so this is about your syllabus. So this is Java Standard Edition. This is our syllabus. Next, what is Enterprise Edition? Yes, we should discuss about this one here. Enterprise Edition. So Enterprise Edition. Yes, about Enterprise Edition. Yes, all the frameworks comes on this. So what are the Java frameworks? See Java frameworks. What are the Java frameworks? Java frameworks. Java frameworks. First one, Struts framework. Struts framework. Yeah, this is outdated. No one using. Yes, Struts framework outdated. Next, Spring framework. Yes, it's very hot in the market. Spring framework. Next, Hibernate. Yeah, this is also hot in the market here. Yes, Hibernate framework. Next framework, Hadoop. Yeah, this also very hot in the market here. Hadoop framework. Okay, next. Yes, Spark framework. Spark framework. Okay. Spark framework. What is framework? We'll discuss now. What is framework? I'll tell you. Yes, next. Yes, latest Spring Boot and microservices. Okay. These are all the frameworks. These are all our Java frameworks. Such framework is using for web applications, outdated. Such framework web applications. Yeah, these for web applications, web apps like websites, and small applications, small scale transactions. Some applications perform needless number of transactions. That is such framework. It's very old framework, outdated, no one using. It's outdated. Now current latest framework is Spring and Hibernate. Yes, this is very hot in the market. Spring framework and Hibernate framework. Yes, this is for what? Yes, all internet-based applications. These are for internet-based applications, internet-based apps. To develop internet-based applications, we can use Spring and Hibernate framework. Spring and Hibernate, these for the internet-based applications. See here, 90% of internet-based apps are developed yes in Spring and Hibernate framework. Developed using the Spring and Hibernate framework. 90% of internet-based applications. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark. They are big data frameworks. Frameworks to store and process data. They are the big data frameworks. Okay. Yes, Spring Boot. It's advanced version of Spring. Same. The same for internet-based applications. In Spring Boot, we can reduce much coding here. Yes, code you can reduce. Spring Boot. These are advanced version of Spring and Hibernate. Okay. Yes. See here. What is exactly framework? What is advantage of frameworks here? Let us see. What is your framework? What is your framework? That is question. Talking about framework. What is framework here? What's your framework? What's a framework? See, framework is a ready-made one and ready to use. Yes, it contains all the predefined classes. It contains all predefined, all predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes. Framework contains all predefined classes. Okay. See here. In framework, there are ready-made classes. Okay. Yes, we can take all the predefined classes and plug in into application, and you can build the Java application simply here. You can build the projects. Okay. Predefined classes. Just you have to take. Yes. We'll take predefined classes. Take all predefined classes. Take predefined classes and build Java projects. Yes, you can define classes and you can build projects. You can build Java project here. You can build Java projects. Okay, coding is not necessary. Yes, yes, we will take. Yes, just to take all predefined classes. Take all predefined classes. Predefined classes. Okay, and plug in into just plug in into projects. Plug in and build Java projects. Okay, just to take all predefined classes, we can take, see, we can take all, see, we can take all predefined classes, okay, yes, plug in and build the Java projects. Suppose, for example, you can see, for example, database coding, Suppose if you're writing database coding, yes, database coding around 50 to 60 lines of code. If you're developing on your own, yes, 50 to 60 lines of code required here. It's like connecting to database, reading data from database, next validations, next data processing, next data filtering. Yes, it will take a lot of time. Okay. Yes, even 50 to 60 lines of code required. 50 to 60 lines of code. Yeah, this code you can avoid using Hibernate. So this code we can avoid using Hibernate classes. Okay, like there are different classes for different transactions. Suppose Spring framework, in Spring framework, there are some predefined classes like suppose emailing system, Java application. Yes, communicating with email server means SMTP server. That case predefined SMTP code is available. You can take that code and use in the projects. Separately coding is not necessary. Suppose TCP communication, the TCP code already available. You can take it and using the application here. Like this, different kind of for different operations, different task for predefined class available. Take the predefined classes, just to take the predefined classes. Take the predefined classes, plug in into our project, just to plug in and plug in, then rebuild. Yes, build the project, plug in and build. That's it here. Plug in. Okay, means plug in is linking, just linking all of these things. Then you can build the projects. It becomes very simple. With the frameworks, project development is very easy. See, I'll tell you one example for frameworks. Yes, one example. Suppose some example, for example, see constructing bridges. Yes, how that bridges they are constructing here. Construction companies, how they are constructing bridges. See, very old days, words away. So first of all, raising pillars. Next, raising pillars after on top of pillars. See, on top of pillars, yes, laying bridge. Just laying bridge, right? But nowadays, what's happening here? Simply they are raising pillars, just full raising pillars. Even raising pillars also much manpower is not required, machinery available. So within short time finishing. Next, after raising pillars on top of pillars, what they are doing here. On top of pillars, see there are assembling blocks. Ready-made blocks available. Just assembling blocks. Ready-made blocks. Like a framework classes. In framework, ready-made class available. Taking and linking with the projects and building projects. Same here. Assembling. Just assembling blocks. And just observe bridges. They are assembling blocks. Assembling blocks and constructing bridges. So they are finishing bridges within 3 to 4 months. Just only 3 to 4 months. Only 3 to 4 months. See, last year, yes, during the COVID period, yes, there is a curfew, right? That time there was a curfew. Okay, free from traffic. Yes, TS government utilized that time to bridge, yes, to construct many bridges. I think around last COVID time, around 5 to 6 bridges they constructed. Yes, in this Gachbal area and different, mainly Gachbal area. Gachbali, yes, in our office working area, many bridges they constructed. Okay, yes, like that in overall city, more than 5 to 6 bridges they have constructed. Okay, still many bridges construction going on. Yes, how they finish within short time? Yes, by assembling blocks. Just assembling blocks. It's nothing but it's like a framework. Framework is exact like that. So much period is not necessary. See one more example of frameworks. See houses, ready-made houses, right? See construction company. So whenever construction is for their workers' purpose, they are building ready-made houses, constructing ready-made houses, right? After finishing work, moving to another place, same house, moving to another location, again constructing that house. Within 2 or 3 days, they will assemble all the parts of that house. They will build the house simply. So everything is ready-made one. Walls, doors, and all are ready-made one. Ready-made one. Yes, whenever they want, they will assemble. They will construct house. That's it here. That is nothing but like a framework, exactly like a framework. Ready-made houses, ready-made bridges, like a framework. Okay, so framework is exact like that here. In framework, all the predefined classes available. Using predefined classes, just building application. So you can advantage of frameworks. Many advantages here. Okay, we can reduce the code. Main advantage, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the time. Okay, next even resources, Java resource also less. Much resource not necessary here. See, in 2017, what was happened here? We have developed one GST project. GST project we have developed. A GST project just within 3 months only finished. Within 3 months, completed, including testing. Yes, using frameworks. Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Using frameworks within 3 months, within 3 months only completed. Within 3 months completed. Using because of frameworks. So much coding is not necessary. Using frameworks, much coding is not necessary. Within short time, we can finish application. Within short time, we can finish. Next, even much Java resource also not necessary. That is about framework. Framework, right? So using frameworks, internet-based applications. Okay. See, 90% of yes, internet-based applications were developed in yes, using that Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Okay. Next, see here since 2010, industry facing big data issues, big data issues, big data issues. That's the reason Hadoop came to the picture. Hadoop came to the picture. Yes, since 2010, industry facing big data issues. Okay, big data issues. Okay, yes, for that Hadoop framework. Yes, Hadoop framework. So first, initially Hadoop framework used by the Google. First, initially Hadoop framework used by the Google, later Facebook. Google version, yes, originally Hadoop is from the Google only. Originally, Hadoop from the Google. Google faced big data issue. For that, they had developed some Hadoop framework. Behind the Hadoop framework, there's a big table concept is there. Before Hadoop, there's a big table concept. From big table, next Hadoop. Hadoop originally from the Google. Later taken over by the Apache Software Foundation. Apache Software Foundation. Okay. Yes, Hadoop framework. Yes, Hadoop. If data more than the capacity of Hadoop, next level is Spark. Spark is a next level of Hadoop here. Okay. So big data applications, all big data applications, all big data applications. Yes, developed, developed. Yes, using Java frameworks, using Java frameworks. Yes, no alternative. See, for internet-based applications, some alternative is available. Some alternative like some Python is available, like .NET is available. But in big data, no alternative. Java is the only one application. Hadoop is a Java framework. Spark also Java framework. No alternative for big data. Yes, one and only Java. Yes, internet-based application alternative is there, but Java is leader. 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java. Okay, see, 1 second. Yes, by the year, yes, 2010. Yes, 90% of yes existing apps. 90% of existing apps were developed in Java. 1 second. Or migrated to Java. Yes. By the year 2010. By the year 2010, 90% of existing apps were migrated to Java. So what are existing apps? By the year 2010, existing apps. These are Visual Basic applications. Next VC++ applications. Next .NET applications. Next C and C++ applications. Next SAP and Oracle ERP apps. These are yes old applications apps. See Visual Basic VC++ .NET. These are Microsoft technologies. These are Microsoft technologies. Yes, what's the disadvantage with Microsoft technologies? Anyone idea? These are from the Microsoft. These are from the Microsoft technology. They are Microsoft technologies. What's the disadvantage? What's the disadvantage? These are Windows. These are Windows. Windows OS dependent. Windows OS dependent. Windows OS dependent. These are Windows OS dependent. Okay, Windows OS. What's the disadvantage of Windows OS here? Windows OS is not a secure OS. Not a secure OS. Main problem with Windows OS is not a secure. Windows is not a secure OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Yes, virus, infecting virus and data hacking happens here. Virus, virus and data hacking. Data hacking, yes, happens with Windows OS. With Windows OS, not a secure. Then which is secure OS? Which is secure OS? Linux. Linux is secure OS. Linux is secure OS. See, Linux, without permissions, no one can access file system or folders. There is no chance of hacking data, even no chance of virus. Virus free. Linux is a virus free, or no chance of data hack. So since it's a secure OS, yes, most of the clients, yes, they need security for their data. Yes, clients need security for their data, right? See, Linux released Linux released yes in the year 1999. Okay, now currently RHL Red Hat Linux is a leader in operating systems. Red Hat Linux. See, by the year 2010, yes, Red Hat has become leader. By the year 2010, yes, Red Hat Linux, yes, it was leader. By the year 2010. Okay, Yes, security. Yes, main reason is security here. Why Linux has this much of popular reason? Security wise, secure wise. Since Linux is secure wise here, so most of the clients thinking about Linux base. That time, most of the clients they thought about Linux base. They wanted to use application on Linux base. To use application on Linux base, to run the application on Linux base here. Yeah, these will not work here. Microsoft soft technology will not work on Linux base. These are Windows based here. Windows based. Then how to how to how to switch to Linux base? What's away? Alternative Java. Alternative Java. So these existing applications were migrated to Java, then switch to Linux base. That's the reason. So because of yeah, these are independent OS dependent. Because of OS dependent, okay. Yeah, these were migrated to Java. C and C++. When come to C and C++ applications here, C and C++. Yes, here no GA facility. Yes, no GA programming in this. No GA programming. No GA programming. So because of that reason, switch to Java. No GA. GA means yeah, this is GA. 1 second. Yeah, this is GA. GA. This facility not available in C language. So that's C and C for migrated Java for the purpose of GA. Next, others SAP and ERP. SAP and ERP. SAP and Oracle ERP. ERP. Yeah, these are costly. Costly in licensing. Yeah. Costly in licensing. Licensing costly. Yes, Java it's a freeware. Free of cost. Java is a freeware. Means free of cost you can nothing to pay. Licensing is costly. Yes, to reduce their maintenance, here, these clients also migrated Java. So Java provides ERP solutions. Yes, SAP and Oracle are ERP solutions, ERP. So Java provides ERP solutions also. ERP solutions, ERP solutions. Next, internet-based apps, yes, apps. Next, big data applications, big data apps. Yeah, these kind of things. Yes, in market, most of things, these are the application sites. Most of things. ERP means enterprise resource planning, enterprise. Enterprise means very big company. Yes, how to manage very big company, very big company. For example, very big company, manufacturing industry. Yes, once very big company, ERP, enterprise resource planning, very big company. Yes, if it is very big company, that ERP. Yes, ERP. Yes, very big company. This much of yes departments in a big company. Purchasing departments, stores and warehouse, raw material storage, manufacturing departments, production department, quality control departments, estimating cost of items, finished goods, shipping departments, assembling department, customers, marketing and sales, human resources, HR department, is recruiting employees, payrolls, next company assets, bank transactions, accounts. This whole system is ERP. Enterprise. Enterprise means large scale industry called as enterprise. Large scale industry is enterprise. In enterprise, this much of things are there. How to manage. For this, some ERP application requires. ERP, enterprise resource planning. Here that ERP generally building using SAP and ERP, SAP and Oracle ERPs. SAP and Oracle ERP softwares. But with the Java also we can do that. That enterprise ERP solutions from Java. Yes. Our project is that 19th project, our 19th project. Our 19th project. Day one. Yes, our 19th project. Yes, my 19th project. works for ERP, that ERP based projects. My 19th project, ERP project, current project this is. ERP, we are developing that project only. Okay. So this kind of applications we can develop in Java. Okay. Yes, see here. Now present position. What is present situation of Java? Present position. Present position. See, 90% of yes apps. 90% of apps. Yes, see this. Present position. Yes, yes. 99% of ERP solutions are developing Java now currently. Yes, SAP, Oracle, ERP not using. They're almost outdated those things. In place of that, now we are using Java. Okay. Yes. Internet-based applications. 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java only here. Okay, 90% applications. Yes, for this alternate some .NET framework is there. Next, Python frameworks like Django something. Some alternate is there. Big data no alternative. Yes, 100% apps in Java. Yes, present question. Yeah, these things were developed in Java. So lakhs of applications were developed, lakhs of apps developed in Java. Lakhs of apps developed in Java. Lakhs of applications. See, 90% of internet-based applications like many companies in the market, manufacturing companies, software companies, their websites, next application activities, like this, many things are there. Lakhs of companies, lakhs of manufacturing companies, lakhs of software companies, lakhs of schools, lakhs of colleges, all that applications are Java based. Okay, ERP, lakhs of companies are there. ERP solutions means lakhs of applications were developed in Java. See, to support lakhs of apps, lakhs of apps. Yes. How many Java resources are required here? How many Java resources required here? That's the question. How many Java resources? How many Java resources required? That is point here. To support lakhs of applications, how many Java resources required? Yes. Anyone can you answer this? Lakhs, so millions of Java resources required. Yes, maintenance, application maintenance. At least 5 resources required for each application. To maintain Java application, minimum 5 resources required. So Facebook application, yes, not 5. Facebook means yes, thousands of employees are working in Facebook to support Facebook application. Google, thousands of employees are working there. The applications, okay, yes, millions of this 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs means yes, millions of employees means crores of employees are required in Java. That's the reason Java got this much of popularity. That is present position of Java. Present position, millions of resources required here. That's the reason Java has become this much of popularity. It's a evergreen field, never ending. In future also, new technology, no chance. Now currently, no technology which is better than Java. Yes, in future, yes, maybe chance after 10 to 15 years, maybe chance of getting yes new technology. So for next 15 to 20 years, no doubt about Java. Happily, you can work in Java. No up and downs. Happily you can work. That is Java position. Current position, future. This is complete history of Java. Okay. This is complete history. Yes, many things discussed about Java history since 1995 to today. What was happened in Java? Very clearly explained here. Yes, all this my life experience. Okay, this now yes, maybe some trainers, all this knowledge they will be getting from the Google. They will visiting different sites and getting that knowledge. But my case, it's my work experience. I have seen all this. What was happening in the market since 1993. 1993 my engineering started. 1993 today what was happened in the market, I know everything. So this is all this my experience. Just my experience, just I have presented. Just my experience presented, that's it here. Okay. Yes. For me, special preparation is not necessary. For our classes purpose, special preparation is not necessary. Directly I will present my knowledge and experience, that's it. Okay. Yes. 1 second. Yeah, definitely. Why not? Yes. Any kind of stock trading applications, any kind of applications you can develop in Java here. Okay. Yes. Of learning core Java, next you should go for the frameworks. Of learning core Java, go for frameworks. You can develop any kind of applications. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes. Any doubts? That's all for today. Yes. Any doubts? 1 second. Just wait for a minute. Yes. For our batch, already group created. Please wait for a minute. So this is your batch group. Yes, communication is going on. See, yesterday's day one, the document shared in the group. Day one, session one. Yes, shared in the group. Yeah, today class also I'll share it by 1:30 or you can watch today recording. See, today, tomorrow also I'll share in the group. Next day I'll give the access to drive. For your batch, drive also created. I'll give the access to drive. Okay. No, frameworks is different topic. Frameworks is another course. This is only core Java. This is only core Java. After core Java framework separately you have to learn it. Okay. Framework separately you have to learn it. Okay, right? Yes. Now this is yeah. So for your batch, this is a group created. Yes, I think more than 10 members submitted their details. Group information. Yeah, around 10 participants submitted. Yes, still anyone to submit, please share your details. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number 8179189123. This is my WhatsApp number. Yes, share your details, your name. Okay, next WhatsApp course you attending here. Next WhatsApp time you attending here. Next what's your Gmail ID. This very important Gmail ID. Share these details on the active group. Okay. Now presently I'll communicate in the group for next 2 days. From Thursday, today, Tuesday. So from Thursday, yes, I'll give the drive access. From Thursday, I'll give the drive access. Thursday class. After Thursday, yes, I'll give the drive access. Please take 1 minute. I'll wait for a minute. Please take it. Yeah, evening classes. I think 6 o'clock batch is there. I'll be starting next week. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. I'll be starting in the next week. Wait for 1 week. Yes, it will be starting next week. Only 1 week. Yes, I hope everyone taken. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Same link tomorrow. Same link tomorrow. Same link tomorrow. Okay. Same time. Same link. Same time. Same time. Okay. Yeah. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.